We can use if-let statements as a shorter way to write the equivalent of a match that only matches one case. Optionally, if-let can have an else containing code to run if the pattern in the if-let does not match. So a super simple example, we'll say let dog2 is equal to some pet that is a dog. And then if-let some pet that is a dog equals dog2, we will print out the animal is a dog, but if it's not a dog, then we'll print out not a dog. So what's going on in here? So we're basically saying, hey, if some pet is a dog, right? So this is the type we're looking for, and then we created in dog2 the same type. So if it matches, print out the animal is a dog. Otherwise, it's not a dog. So we know that this is going to print out the animal is a dog. But if we happen to make it a cat, well, then we would expect the match up here to not match, and we would expect it to print not a dog, which is what happens. So you can also, extend this with else if and else if let statements. So it all works the same as if we were just doing regular control flow statements. So we can also extend this, or we can also use while let loops. So let's create a stack, and we'll call it a new vector. And then what we'll do is we'll put shin a couple of values. And we'll change these to different numbers. And now we'll execute a while let sum top equals stack.pop, print out top. So what's going on here? So we created a new vector, pushed in 3 values of 1, 2, and 3, and then we're saying, hey, pop the stack, and then while it is some number, which in this case it'll be sum 1, sum 2, sum 3, so while it is some number, we want to print out that number that is being taken off the stack. And what do we get? We get 3, 2, 1. And that is because stacks are last in, first out. So I just wanted to show you these quick examples of other ways that we can use if-let examples or while-let in order to match on single statements and then execute some code based on those match statements.